Let's discuss division algorithm for polynomials. What is the division algorithm? First, what is division? We know. See this example. How to divide 22 by 4. So, here using general method, we have already know 22 write in open brackets, 4 write here, 4 5s 20, 22 minus 20 2, we get 2 is our remainder, and here 5 is our quotient. What is 22? 22 is called dividend and 4 is our divisor. Okay. In the same way, comes to polynomials, if p of x and g of x are two polynomials, here p of x and g of x are two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0. Here g of x is not equal to 0. Then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x. Here q of x is our quotient and r of x is a remainder. Okay. P of x by g of x, we get q of x plus some remainder r of x. Okay. See this formula. P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. R of x is our remainder. Q of x quotient, g of x is called divisor, p of x is called dividend. Okay, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here we get 5 is our quotient. How to get 22? 22 equal to divisor into quotient. Divisor is 4, quotient is 5 plus remainder is 2. Okay, 4 5 is 20 plus 2, so we get 22. Okay, so how to divide polynomials? Arrange the terms of dividend and divisor in descending order of their degrees. Okay, next divide the polynomials. Third point, when we stop the division process, when either the remainder is 0 or its degree is less than the degree of divisor. It means degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. Okay, so see this example. 3x plus 1 plus 2x square. This is our p of x by 2 of x. 2 of x is our g of x. We have to find p of x by g of x. Okay, we get some quotient plus r of x is our remainder. R of x is called remainder. So first point is arrange the terms. So rearrange the terms based on the powers. First, highest power is 2x square. Next, highest power is x power 1, 3x plus 1. Write in open brackets. Here highest power is 1. Okay, x plus 2. Let's divide. Here x, we have to get 2x square. How to get 2x square by x? X get cancelled, remaining 2x. 2x square by x. How many times? 2x times. Okay. So here x multiplied with 2x. We get 2x square. X into 2x, 2x square plus 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x, 4x. Okay. Subtract these two terms. Here plus become minus, plus become minus. 2x square minus 2x square get cancel, 0 plus 3x minus 4x. 3 minus 4 minus x plus 1. Okay. Next here x, we have to get minus x. How to get minus x? We have x, we have to get minus x. So x by minus x by x, minus 1 time. Okay. So x multiplied with minus 1. X into minus 1 minus x. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So subtract these two terms. Minus become plus, minus become plus. X plus x minus x plus x get cancel, plus 1 plus 2. It is equal to 3. Here 3 is our remainder. And 2x minus 1 is our quotient. X plus 2 is our divisor. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is our dividend. So let's verify. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus 1. Here divisor is x plus 2. Quotient is 2x minus 1 plus remainder is 1. Okay, x into 2x. X into 2x, 2x square plus 2 into 2x, 4x. X into minus 1 minus x. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2x square 4x minus x plus 3x minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Okay. We get 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. See this. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is our dividend. So we have to get dividend. Okay. What we have done? Here given p of x and g of x. We have to find p of x by g of x. Okay. We know the division algorithm. P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So first rearrange the terms based on the powers. So dividend write in open brackets. So let's divide dividend with divisor. We get some quotient and remainder. Okay. This is the division algorithm for polynomials.